Introduction to Unmanned Aerial Vehicles, UAVs. Introduction to Unmanned Aerial Vehicles, UAVs. Unmanned aerial vehicles, also known as drones, are unmanned aircraft piloted remotely by a person sitting at a remote location. UAVs originated in the military, where they were used for reconnaissance and surveillance purposes. However, in recent years, their use has expanded to other fields such as construction, journalism, and even hobbyist activities. This article provides an overview of the different types of UAVs, their applications, and the benefits and challenges associated with their use. Types of UAVs. UAVs come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and designs. The most basic classification of UAVs is based on their size, which ranges from micro to large. Micro UAVs, also known as nano or mini UAVs, are the smallest and lightest in weight, usually weighing less than 1 kilogram. They are typically used for indoor purposes and can be operated manually or autonomously. Small UAVs are slightly bigger and heavier than micro drones, usually weighing between 1 to 25 kilograms. They are equipped with GPS, sensors, and high-quality cameras, features that allow them to fly longer distances and capture better aerial footage. Small UAVs are commonly used in industries like agriculture, film production, and aerial surveying. Medium-sized UAVs, also known as tactical UAVs, are usually designed for military and defense use. They are more durable and can fly at higher altitudes than smaller drones. They are used for mission planning and execution, target acquisition, and situational awareness. Large drones are the most expensive and sophisticated among the 4 categories. They can weigh over several tons and have a wingspan of more than 20 meters. These drones are used for long-distance flights that often require extended ranges and mission durations. They are employed in military surveillance, large-scale agriculture, and commercial applications like package delivery. Applications of UAVs. UAVs have a broad range of applications in various industries, from military to commercial. The following are some of the popular applications of UAVs. Military and defense. Military and defense remain the most significant application of UAVs. They are primarily used for intelligence gathering, surveillance, and reconnaissance. Search and rescue. UAVs have the potential to be used in search and rescue missions, particularly in hard-to-reach or dangerous areas. They can be fitted with thermal imaging cameras and other sensors to locate missing persons, detect fire hotspots, and survey disaster areas. Agriculture. UAVs are used to improve agricultural yields and reduce production costs. They can collect data on soil quality, water use, and crop growth to help farmers optimize their farming practices and increase crop yields. Additionally, they can spray fertilizers and pesticides over large farming areas, eliminating the need for manual application. Journalism. UAVs have brought a significant revolution in journalism by providing aerial footage for news reporting. They can capture events and happenings in real time and provide footage that would have been difficult to capture with traditional cameras. Environmental monitoring. UAVs can be used to monitor and study environmental changes, including climate change, forest degradation, and glacier retreat. Miniature UAVs are ideal for conducting surveys of hard-to-reach areas and help scientists acquire critical data without disturbing the natural habitat. Challenges associated with UAVs. UAVs have many benefits, but their use also comes with potential challenges. Some of the challenges associated with UAVs are privacy and security concerns. UAVs have raised concerns about privacy and security as they can be used to spy on people or conduct other illicit activities. Furthermore, there is also the risk of hackers intercepting the data tray. Transmitted between the drone and the operator, making them susceptible to cyber attacks. Air traffic regulations. The increasing number of UAVs used for commercial purposes has put pressure on aviation regulators to enforce regulations on airspace use. The regulations are necessary to ensure safety and protect their aircraft, but implementing these regulations can be complex and costly. Limited battery life. Most drones have a short flight time due to their limited battery life. This limits their application and forces operators to keep the drone within a short distance. A drone with a longer battery life, though possible, would result in a heavier drone, which reduces their agility and flexibility in the air. Weather conditions. UAVs are susceptible to harsh weather conditions like strong winds, rain, and snow. The weather can impact the battery life, flight time, and sensor accuracy of the drone. Drones cannot take off if here is a malfunction in software or hardware, which poses a considerable risk in stormy weather. Future of UAVs. The potential of UAVs is far from being fully realized. As technology evolves and becomes more sophisticated, the capabilities of UAVs will continue to expand, bringing with them new applications. Here are some of the potential future developments for UAVs. Autonomous flight. The development of autonomous flight technology will make UAVs more efficient and easier to operate. It will also reduce the need for human intervention, which will make them safer and more reliable. Furthermore, autonomous flights will enable drones to carry out more complex missions, making them more versatile. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence will enable UAVs to make decisions based on real-time data, making them more efficient and effective. For instance, drones could use machine learning to detect defects in buildings or infrastructure during inspections. In agriculture, drones could use AI to identify pest infestations and determine the most appropriate treatment. Broadband connectivity. Improving connectivity will enable UAVs to transmit data in real time, allowing them to be used in scenarios such as disaster response and public safety. It will also enable remote pilots to operate drones from anywhere in the world, making them more accessible for commercial applications. UAVs are already used in various industries, from military to commercial, and their future seems even brighter. Let's explore some of the developments that we can expect in the UAVs industry. Extended range and endurance. One challenge that UAVs encounter is their limited range and endurance. However, this may change in the future with the development of new materials and technologies. For instance, solar-powered UAVs could potentially fly non-stop for several months, providing a new level of endurance for prolonged monitoring and surveillance missions.